Hello everyone, I'm your drawing sir. Our new topic is projections of planes. Okay, projections of planes. Now here we are going to draw the planes in first angle projection only. Okay, in the first angle projection only. Fine. Now before going to start the planes, we should know some assumptions. Okay. Now from the previous diagrams or from the previous topics, we know that the distance from the VP drawn on the HP. Yes, we know that. We have already studied. Now, the distance from the HP drawn on the VP. These are vice versa, reverse. Okay, next, angles also reverse. Angle on the HP, we have to draw in the VP. Yes, angle on the VP, we have to draw in the HP. That is also reverse. Now, in the planes, okay, particularly in the planes, we have some steps that we have to follow. What is that? If the plane is in the HP or VP. So first step. So step number 1, we have to draw that the plane is on the HP or VP. We have to recognize. Okay, according to the question. Now next step is the plane is on the HP. We have assumed. Okay, it is HP or in the VP. Suppose it is on the HP. Now next what we have to assume? We have to draw that the plane is either on the corner or the edge. We have to draw it first. Okay, next what we have to do? If the plane is on the VP, okay, if the plane is on the VP, make inclined with the VP only in the next stage. Okay, if the plane is on the HP, make inclined with HP first. Okay, now after drawing, after this one, we have to draw the other inclination. What is this? While drawing, you will be having more clarity. Okay, right. Let us come to our first question. Let us come to our first question. See here carefully. Now, a square of side 30. Okay, a square of side 30 is on the HP, on its edge. Okay, what he is telling? He is telling there is a square of side 30. Okay, which is on the HP, on its edge. He is telling on its edge. Fine. It makes an angle of 40 degrees with the HP and 50 degrees with the VP. Draw its projections. First, what we have to do is draw the XY line. Draw the XY line, a reference line. We have assumed that the plane is in the first quadrant. Okay. First, draw the XY line. Okay, reference line X, Y. Fine. Now, according to first angle projection, HP is below the reference line and VP is above the reference line. Now, VP is always front view and HP is always top. Done. Now, here he has not given the gaps. Okay, he has not given above the HP or in front of VP. In such conditions, you can take your wish. Okay, any gap you can take it. Okay, fine. Now, first I would like to draw the square. Now, where to draw the square? The square should be on the HP. Okay, on the HP I have to draw it, means here. Okay, now I can draw in two positions. He said the edge. So, see here. This is the position of edge and this is the positions of the corner. Okay, the same square I can draw in two ways, that is either edge or the corner. How can I say it is edge or corner? See your left side, this is the edge and this is the corner. Like this I have to draw it. Okay, now I am going to draw a square on the HP with its edge. So how much side he has given? He has given 30. So I'll draw the 30 mm. Okay, 30 mm square I'll draw it. So the square should be dark here. Okay, this is 30. Okay, this is 30. 30 and 30. Okay, now this is the square. Okay, name this square in the anti-clockwise direction, your wish. Okay, that is your wish. Okay, the square should be dark at certain gap. The gap is your wish because the gap is not given. Okay, now this is A, B, C and D. Okay, the which view it is? It is a top view. In the front view, I can see as a line. Okay, this plane I can observe as a line. So what I'll do, I'll draw the projectors. Okay, from AB, drop the light line. This line should be very light. Okay, this is a projector. Okay, now see here, A and B on the same line. So what I'll do, I'll make this is A dash and this is B dash. Now this is C dash and D dash. Now make this line dark because this is a plane, this is not a line. Okay, this is not a line. Example, I'll show you. Suppose from top, this scale I can observe as a plane, but from the front it will observe as a line. Okay, this is A, see, this is A, B, C, D. Okay, I'll show you once again. See, suppose this is small scale. Okay, this is A, this is B, this is C and this is D. This is from the top. If from the front you will observe, this observe as a line. See here. So that's what I did here. Okay, now we know that the plane is on the HP. Yes, the plane is on the HP. So next is we have to put inclined with HP only. Okay, because the plane is on the HP, I have to put this inclination with HP only in the next one. Okay, so inclination with HP I can observe in the VP. Okay, inclination with HP I can observe on the VP because inclinations are reverse. So what I'll do, in the VP I have a line, I can observe as a line, this plane. So what I'll do, I'll make this line inclined with HP at an angle of how much he has given. Inclination with HP is 40 degrees. So what I'll do, take certain gap from here, take certain gap and mark a point. See, observe this line. This is A dash B dash and C dash D dash. So mark a point on the left side. So I'm taking left point, which is A dash and B dash. Now I'll make this line A dash B dash and C dash D dash. I'll make this line at an angle of 40 degrees. So what I'll do, take 40 degrees angle. Okay, I am marking this is 40 degrees and take this length. Take this length in the compass. This A dash B dash as a center, draw a curve length. Now join this one at an angle of 40 degrees. Now what is this? This is C dash and D dash, and I have to mention this edge also, the length of this edge also. See here, this is A, this is B. Okay, the length should be very light. Now side how much? This is 30. This is 30 mm. Now what I did, from the front view I have drawn this horizontal line at an inclination of 40 degrees with HP. Okay, 40 degrees with HP. Okay, now what I'll do, with help of this line, front view of next stage and top view of the first stage, I'll merge this one. How? I'll show you. Now from A dash, drop a perpendicular line. Okay, perpendicular line, and from A drop the horizontal line. See, this is point A. Yes, from here drop the horizontal line. Okay, now this is A. Yes, now from B dash drop the perpendicular line, and from this B drop the horizontal line. Now this is point B. Done. Now C to C, what to do? From C, drop the perpendicular line, and from this C, drop the horizontal line. Okay, we have got this C. Next, from D, drop the horizontal line. Now this is D. Now join this one. Make dark this one. This is AB. Okay, this is CD. Now this is BC. This is CD, and this is DA. Now I make this square inclined with 40 degrees. See, inclined with HP. Now next inclination, I have to make inclination with VP now. So inclination with VP means I can observe on the HP. That inclination I can observe on the HP because angles are reverse. Yes, 50 degrees with HP means I have to draw on the 50 degrees with VP means I have to draw in the HP. So what I'll do, mark any point. Mark any point. Okay, now what I'll do, take an angle. Take an angle. You can take this side or this side, your wish. Okay, I am taking on the right side. Now angle, how much he has given? He has given 50 degrees. So what I'll do, take 50 degrees and just draw a line, a rough line at an angle of how much? Which is 50 degrees. Which is 50 degrees. You have to mention this angle, very important. So this is 50 degrees what? With the VP. We can observe on the HP. Now what I'll do, I'll make this plane inclined at 50 degrees. Okay, I have to draw here. So what I'll do, I'll take any one of the edge. So I'm taking edge AB, which is perpendicular to what? Which is perpendicular to VP. But I am taking perpendicular to inclination 50 degrees with VP now. Okay, so what I'll do, check this length AB. So mark any point A. Mark any point A. Take a radius AB. Take a radius AB. Okay, take a radius AB. A as center, cut here. So what I'll get? I'll get B, point B. Yes, now I have got AB with the same length. With the same thing, I want all the points C and D also. So I have AB now. I have AB now. With respect with AB. Okay, with the AB. With the AB, I'll draw C and D also. First, I'll draw C. What to do? Take radius AC. Take radius AC. Okay, A as a center, draw the curve. Next, take radius BC. Take radius BC. B as a center, cut this one. What I'll get? I'll get C. Next, I want D. With same AB, what I'll do, take radius AD, take radius AD, A as a center, draw a curve, and take radius BD, B as center, cut here. What we'll get? We'll get D. Now join DC, join BC, join DA, join AB. Now see here, I have drawn the same thing here, but the AD is perpendicular here. Here the AB is 50 degrees. See, AB is perpendicular here. The AB is 50 degrees. It means the plane is perpendicular to VP, but here the plane is inclined at 50 degrees with VP. That is the change we did here. Now next what to do? What I'll do is drop the each and every point, from each and every point perpendicular and parallel on the VP. I have to draw this position now. What I'll do? Now from A, drop the perpendicular line up to A dash B dash. See here, here it is A dash. So the combination of points, this is A. Fine. Next what I'll do, from B, where is the B? It should be perpendicular line. See, this is the B. Okay, this is B. Now where is C and D? So what I'll do, from here C and D, I'll draw the horizontal line such that this line is exactly parallel to XY. Done. Now what I'll do, from C, drop the perpendicular line up to C. See, this is C and this is C dash. From here perpendicular, from here horizontal. So this is the meeting point. So this is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, because it is in the front view. Now from D, okay, from D it is perpendicular line, from D dash it is horizontal line. So this is the meeting point, this is D dash. So I'll join everything. So this should be dark. So this is A dash, B dash, this is B dash, C dash, just joining, just C dash, D dash, okay, and finally A dash, D dash. So see here friends, this is our answer. Okay, now next we'll go for next question. Now let us read the next question. A square of side 35. A square of side 35 is on the VP, he said. It is on the VP, on its corner now. The square is on corner now and it is on the VP. Now, such that it makes an angle of 40 degrees with VP and 50 degrees with the HP. Done. First what to do? Draw the reference line. Draw the reference line, which is XY. XY, this is X and this is Y. Mention HP and VP because this is first angle projection. Okay, below HP and above VP. HP is always top view and VP is always front view. Done. He has not given any gaps in front of VP or above HP. Okay, leave it. Now first I have to draw the square. Where is the square? It is on the VP. And how the position is the corner. So how to draw the square? So square I have to draw like this. Like this I have to draw. Okay, because it is on the corner. Fine. What to do? What I'll do is, for the corner, first I'll draw any line, some line like this, a perpendicular line. A perpendicular line. Why? Because see, this is like this. So this perpendicular line is the diagonal. So I don't know the length of the diagonal, but I know the side. He has given side 35. Okay, he has given side 35. Fine. What I'll do, first I have drawn the line. Here I know that the square is having 90 degrees. Yes, 90 degrees. Okay, on the corners. Fine. So what I'll do here is, I'll take 45 degrees on both the sides. Okay, 45 degrees and here 45 degrees like this. Okay, this angle is 45 and this angle is 45. I am taking. Fine. Now I know the length how much? 35 mm. So what I'll do, I'll draw the 35 mm length. Okay, this is like this. See here. So I have taken this angle 45 degrees. Okay, now the side how much? See here, this is 35 mm. See here, this is 35 mm. Okay, now here also what I am doing is, see here, this is 35 mm with an angle of, this is also 45 degrees. So I will write here, this is 45 and this is also 45. So entirely it is 90 degrees. So I have drawn something like this. Now next what I'll do, take this length. How much? This is 35. Yes, I know that this is 35. Now this center, just cut this one. such that this length also 35, and automatically it will come on the opposite side, this one opposite side. Okay, fine. Just join like this. Okay, see here, now we have got the corner. See here, left side, which is corner, exactly. Now name this square. This is A dash because it is on the VP. This is B dash, this is C dash and D dash. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll take certain gap here, your wish. You can take some gap. So what I'm doing, I'm drawing another line, some line at certain gap, and no need to mention here. Okay, now what I'll do, just from A dash drop its top view. Now if the plane is, see, if the plane is from the front view, I can see something like this. So from the top I can see as a line. Okay, now vice versa. So what I'll do, from A dash drop the perpendicular line. Now what is this point? This is A. Just drop the perpendicular lines. See, B and D will be the common point. Okay, what is this point? This is B and D. Now see here, from C, perpendicular line. What is this? This is point C. Done. Now make this plane dark. Over. Fine. Now where is the plane? The plane is on the VP, on its corner. So first inclination with VP only, because the plane is on the VP. Because the plane is on the VP, first inclination should be with VP only. It means I can observe this inclination on the HP. Okay, inclination with VP I can see on the HP. On the HP there is a line. There is a line. So what I'll do, make this line at an angle of 40 degrees. Now draw certain gap. At certain gap, now see, from this, for this line on the left side corner there is a point A. So mark a point A. Mark a point A. Now take an angle of 40 degrees with VP. Okay, which is I am drawing on the HP. So mark a point. Okay, this is at an angle of 40 degrees. Now take a radius. Now how much? I have to take this same length A to C, which is the length of the diagonal. See here, A to C. Okay, which is the length of the diagonal. Now take a radius A to C. Take a radius A to C. A as the center, drop the curve. Okay, most of the people having the doubt that, sir, how it will come as a diagonal, length of the diagonal. See, if this is on the corner like this, okay, from top I can observe the diagonal only, not the side. Okay, so what I did, I have taken a radius A to C, A at the center, draw the curve. Now what I will do, at 40 degrees, join this one. Now this last corner is, that is C, and next I have to mention B and D also. So what to do, take radius BD, A as center, cut here. I have got B and D. Done. Over. Now what to do, I will match the each and every point here at here. Okay, now perpendicular line from A, drop the perpendicular line from A, and from A dash drop the horizontal line. From A dash drop the horizontal line like this. Now the meeting point is A dash. Okay, the meeting point is A dash. Now from B drop the perpendicular line. Done. Now see here, this is meeting point. Now I will mention this is B dash. Now from C, see here, from C drop the perpendicular line like this, and from here drop the horizontal line. Now this is C. I am matching C dash with perpendicular parallel. That's it. Okay, now this is C dash. Now from D, drop the perpendicular line. Now from D dash, drop the horizontal line. It should be very, very light. The lines should be very, very light. Now this is D dash. Just join all the points. This is A dash, B dash. This should be dark. A dash, B dash. Okay, B dash, C dash. C dash, D dash, and D dash, A dash. Done? Fine. Now next what to do? We have done inclination with 40 degrees. Now next inclination with 50 degrees to the HP. If it is inclined with HP, I have to draw on the VP. Done. What I will do? Mark the point. You can take like this also, or you can take like this also. Inclination. That is your wish. Okay. Now what I will do? Just mark any point. Okay. Some point at certain distance. Okay. Now take an angle of 55 degrees. Take an angle of 55 degrees. So this is 55 degrees. So I will draw a rough line. Something like this. Now this is an angle of 55 degrees. Now you can take any one of the edge. I am taking BC, which will be very easy to me. Okay, if I take B dash, C dash, it will be very easy to me. So I have to take this plane here because it is on the VP. It is on the VP. I will take here. Now mark a point which is B dash. On this line, mark any point B dash. Now take radius B dash to C dash. B dash to C dash. This B dash as center, cut here. Now this is the point C dash. Next I want A with respect to B and C dash with the help of B dash and C dash. Excuse me. Now take radius B dash to A dash. Take radius B dash to A dash. B dash as center. Draw the curve and take radius C dash to A dash. Take radius C dash to A dash. Now C dash as center. Cut it. Now what I will get? I will get A dash. Next I want D dash. What to do? I have B and C. B dash and C dash. So take radius B dash to D dash and C dash to D dash. I will get D dash. Done. What I will do? Take radius B dash to D dash. B dash as center. Draw a curve. Next C dash to D dash. C dash as center. Cut here. Okay, done. Next what to do? Join A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash. So planes should be dark here. Very, very important. C dash to D dash, D dash to A dash. Done. So what we did? The same plane, which is same plane, I make an angle of 50 degrees with this edge. Okay, fine. Next what to do? From A, drop the perpendicular line, and here it is A. See here, this is the point A, meeting point. I am just drawing perpendicular line from A dash, horizontal line from A. The meeting point is A. Done. Next I want B. So what I will do? From B, drop the horizontal line. From B, drop the horizontal line, and from B dash, drop the perpendicular line. This should be perpendicular. The meeting point is B. Done. Over. Next from C, drop the horizontal line. From C dash, perpendicular line. Okay, this is C now. Next from D, horizontal line, and from D dash, drop the perpendicular line like this. Okay, this is D dash now. Just join all the points. See here, AB straight lines, BC straight lines, okay, CD straight line, and DA straight line. See here, this will observe like this. It will observe like this. Fine. Let us come to the next question. Now see here. Let us read the question first. He has given a pentagon now. Okay, he has given a pentagon now. A pentagon of side 30 is on the HP on its corner. Okay, such that it makes an angle of 40 degrees with the HP and 55 degrees with the VP. Draw its projections. First, what we have to observe? We have to observe that which plane it is. It is a pentagon now. We know that pentagon have 5 edges. Okay, next, now how it is? Either it is corner or the edge. He said it is on the corner. So how to draw the pentagon with the corner? Very, very important. See, the pentagon with the corner I have to draw like this. The positions is very, very important. So on the left side there should be a point, the corner. Okay, if he is asking the edge, I have to draw like this, the pentagon. Very, very important. This is the edge. Okay, this is edge and this is corner. Corner means what? I have to get the point on my left side. If you are asking about edge, the side, this side should be on my left side. Okay, same as square. See here, if he is asking the edge, I will get the side. If he is asking the corner, I will get the point. Fine. Now I have to draw the pentagon now. Now what I will do? First draw the reference line XY. First draw the XY reference line. Okay, this is X, Y. This is HP. This is VP. HP is always top view. VP is always front view. So he is telling the pentagon is on the HP, horizontal plane. So first what I will do, I will draw a perpendicular line. The length how much? 30. How much? I am drawing 30 here. Side 30. It should be a dark line at certain gap. See here, this gap is your wish. Done. Now what I have to do is, see this pentagon. This angle is how much? We know that this is 72 degrees. Okay, 72. How we have got 72 degrees? Pentagon means 360 by 5. Sides are 5. So I will get 108 degrees. What is this 108 degrees? Which is the exterior angle. Exterior angle is 108 degrees. It means the interior angle is 72 degrees. So what I will do? I will take 72 degrees. So here the angle should be, you have to take very, very carefully. Not even, it should be 73 degrees. Okay, 1 degree kuda atu itu kaadalaniki veelledu. So I am taking 72 degrees. So we have to put very, very carefully. This is 72 degrees. Done. Excuse me. Just a minute. Fine. Now I have to take 72 degrees. Okay, now at 70 degrees, what is the side? That is 30 mm. I have to draw the side also at an angle of 72 degrees. That is 30 mm. Done. Next, here also I have to take 72 degrees. See here. Okay, this is 70 degrees. Okay, now length how much? That is 30 mm. I have to take 30 mm. 1, 2, 3. This is 30 mm. Yes, I have taken like this. Now what to do? Take radius. Side how much? 30 side, and this as a center, draw an arc, the same 30 mm, this as a center, cut here. Okay, fine, just join them, just join them. What I'll get? I'll get pentagon. See here, I have got pentagon. Okay, now what to do? See here, I am taking this length, this as a corner, cut here, and this as a corner, cut here. I'll get pentagon. Now name this pentagon. This is A, this is B, this is C, this is D and E, because the pentagon has 5 sides. Next, what to do? From A, drop the perpendicular line. Okay, now what is this? This is A dash. See here, from B and E, it should be a common line. It will come common line. Okay, this is B dash, E dash. Okay, fine. Next, this is C dash, D dash. Okay, this is C dash and D dash. Now make this line as dark. Fine. Now what I will do, in the next stage I have to make inclination with HP only, because the plane is on the HP. Because the plane is on the HP, I have to make next inclination with HP only. So I have to make this line at an angle of 40 degrees. Yes, 40 degrees to the HP. So check this line. The left side is A dash. So mark the point A dash. Yes. Now inclination how much with HP? Which is 40 degrees. So take 40 degrees. Take 40 degrees now. Now this is 40 degrees. I have marked the 40 degrees. Now what to do? Take a radius A to the last corner, which is C dash D dash. See here, C dash D dash. A dash as center, draw an arc. Now join this one up to the last. Now what is this? This is C dash D dash. Over. Next, take a radius A dash to B dash E dash. A dash as center, cut here. This is B dash E dash. Done. Next, what to do? I have to match each and every point, perpendicular and parallel lines. That's it. Now from A dash, drop the perpendicular line. From A, drop the horizontal line. Okay, now this is the point A. Now from B, drop the perpendicular line. Okay, now from here B, drop the horizontal line. Yes, the meeting point is point B. Now from C dash, from the front view, from the C dash, drop the perpendicular line. Line should be very, very light. The projectors, these are projectors. Projectors should be very, very light. Now from C, okay, the meeting point is what? This is point C. Now from D, perpendicular line. From D dash, perpendicular line. Now from D, horizontal line. The meeting point is D. See here. Next, from E also, perpendicular line. From this E, so E dash, perpendicular line. From E, horizontal line. Okay, using drafter you can do it very, very easily. Okay, this is E. Just join now. Okay, this is AB. This is BC. This is CD. Now DE. Now AE. The lengths of the sides will change because we make inclination with 40 degrees. Okay, this will change. Okay, no problem. Next, what to do? See here, this is at an angle of 40 degrees. Yes, inclination with what? HP. I can observe in the VP. Done. Next what to do? I have to mate 55 degrees with VP now, which I can observe on the HP. Yes. Now what to do? Mark any point like this. Take an angle of how much? 55 degrees. 55 degrees. See here, I have marked 55 degrees here. Done. Now what to do? Drop the line like this and mark 55 degrees. 55 degrees. This is 55 degrees angle. Now take any edge, but I will take DC, which is perpendicular to VP. Okay, this DC is perpendicular to VP. We know that. So I will take this DC here. So mark any point D here. Okay. Now what to do? Take radius D and C like this. D as a center. Cut here. What I will get? I will get point C. Okay, I will get point C. Now next what to do? I have D and C. Using D and C, I have to draw all the points. First I will go for A. Take radius DA and then I will take radius CA because I am having D and C here. Okay, right. Take radius DA, D as center, draw an arc. Now take radius CA, C as center, cut here. I will get point A. Next I want B. What to do? Take same, I will take CB and DB because I am having D and C. Done. I will take D and B as a radius, D as a center, draw a curve. Next I will take CB. Yes, C as center, cut here. I will get point B. Next I want E. Same, I will use D and C. Take radius DE, D as center, draw an arc. Next CE, C as center, cut here. I will get E. See, I have got all the points with the same common distances, same positions. Okay, now join AB, join BC, join CD. Okay, I have to make this plane dark. Next AE. This is AE. I have taken this plane at an angle of 55 degrees. Okay, I make this plane at an angle of 55 degrees. Next what to do? Drop the perpendicular and parallel lines from each and every point. First I will use A. From A, drop the perpendicular line. Okay, you can do this with the help of drafter very easily. Okay, this is A dash and this is A. Just join. This is A dash now. Done. From B, drop the perpendicular line. From B dash, drop the horizontal line. This is what? B dash. Done. Over. Now from C, drop the perpendicular line. From here it is horizontal line. Okay, this is C dash. Now from D, what to do? Drop the perpendicular line. From here it is horizontal line. Okay, this is D dash. And finally I want E. From E, perpendicular line, and from E dash I want horizontal line like this. Yes, this is E dash. Join all the points. Join all the points. What I will get? This is A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash. Now C dash, D dash, D dash, E dash, E dash and A dash. Like this I will get. Okay, fine. Let us come to the next question. Let us come to the next question. Now see here what he has given. He has given a pentagon of side 35 is on the VP now. Okay, it is on the VP on its edge such that it makes an angle of 30 degrees to the VP and 50 degrees to the HP. Draw its projections. Fine. How to draw the pentagon? Now, one is clear that I have to draw the pentagon on the VP. Okay, and on its edge I have to draw it. Not on the corner now, on the edge. Now, how to draw the edge? See here, I have to draw like this. Means corner will be on the right side and edge will be on the left side. If he asked for edge, now what to do? Now, first draw the XY line. Okay, now reference line, which is reference line XY. This is HP, this is VP. Done. See here, HP and VP. Next, HP is always top view, VP is always front view. Done. Fine. Next, I have to draw the pentagon first. Side how much? That is 35 on the VP. So first what I will do, I will take 35 mm, which is on the edge. I have to draw on the VP, which is 35. Draw 35 line perpendicular to the XY at certain gap. Okay, now what to do? He is asking pentagon. So angle how much? Interior angle is 72 degrees. Interior angle is 72 degrees. So I am taking 72 degrees. So both sides I have to take it. Fine. Side how much? That is 35. Okay, this is 35 and this is also 35. Done. Next what to do? Take this length which is 35. Take this length which is 35. This as a center, draw a curve, and this corner as a center, draw this curve. Okay, again you can take 70 to 72 degrees, no problem. But for the shortcut, make it easy. So what I am doing, taking the radius, same as a side 35. This corner as center, draw an arc, and this corner as center, draw an arc. Okay, I will get certain point. Now join this one. Now from here, join this one. Now name this one. See, this is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, and this is D dash. Next what to do? Drop the perpendicular lines. See, from AB, perpendicular line. Now what is this point now? This is A dash and B dash. See, on my left side I have got the edge. Okay, now this is A, B, C, D, and this is also E dash. So E dash and C dash will be on the common point. Now this is C dash and E dash. Now what is this? This is D dash. Okay, this is B dash. So join this line. Make this line dark. Very, very important. Done. I have drawn like this. Now next, the plane is on the VP. So first inclination with the VP only, which I can observe on the HP. So check this line on the HP, that is A dash B dash to D dash. The length is A dash B dash to D dash. So I'll make this at an angle of how much? 30 degrees. right? So left side is what? I have got the point A dash B dash. So mark here, what is the point? This is A dash and B dash. See, check this line, A dash B dash to D dash. The left side is A dash B dash. So I am marking here. Now angle, how much he has given? He has given 30 degrees. So just mark 30 degrees here. Now take the length, that is A dash B dash to D dash. Yes, this as center, draw the curve, just join here. So this is the point D dash. This is the point D dash. Done. Over. Now what I will do, take a length A dash B dash and C dash A dash. Okay, A dash B dash as center, cut here. What is this? This is C dash and E dash. What I am doing, I am taking the same line, just making an angle of 30 degrees with VP. 30 degrees with VP now. Done. Now what to do? Excuse me. I have to match each and every point, perpendicular parallel lines. From A dash, drop the horizontal line or a parallel line. Both are same. Okay, using drafter you can do it very easily. This is A dash. Now from A, horizontal line. So I did a small mistake, that is I should not mark dashes here because this is a HP. Yes, I have to mark without dashes here. Yes, done. So what is this point? This is A, this is B, no dashes. This is C and E, no dashes here. Okay, there should be a no dash here because this is HP here. Okay, no problem. So this is A, this is B, this is C, this is E, this is D. Done. Okay, now this is A dash. Okay, from B dash, drop the horizontal line. What is this? This is B dash. Next, from C and E. Okay, from C, drop the perpendicular line. From C dash, drop the horizontal line. Like this. What is this point? C dash. Now in the front view I have to mention the dashes. Okay, right. From E, drop the perpendicular line. From E dash, drop the horizontal line. Okay, what is this point? This is E dash. Next, from D, drop the perpendicular line. From here, D dash, drop the horizontal line. Okay, what is this point? This is D dash. Join all the points. Okay, this is AB, this is BC, this is CD, okay, this is DE, and this is AE. Okay, fine. I have drawn something like this. Now next, what to do? I have to make inclination with the HP now. I have to make inclination with the HP now. Okay, at an angle of how much? 50 degrees. I have to draw on the VP. Now next, what to do? Now what I will do is mark an angle of 50 degrees. So first what I will do, mark any point here, somewhere here, and I will take 50 degrees. Angle 50 degrees. See here, this is 50. Draw a line, very light line. Line should be very light. Hold it very light. Okay, fine. Next, so what I'll do, you can take any edge, your wish. You can take any edge. Okay, I am taking C dash D dash, your wish. You can take anyone. So what I'm making, this C dash here. Okay, now take a radius C dash to D dash, C dash as center, cut here, mark any point D dash. Okay, I have marked any point C dash here and take a radius C dash to D dash and cut here. Done. Using CD, I have to draw all the points. First, I'll mark A dash. Take a radius C dash to A dash, C dash as center, draw the curve. Take a radius D dash to A dash. Take a radius D dash to A dash, D dash as center, cut here. What I will get? I will get A dash. Over. Next, I want B. Take a radius C dash B dash, C dash as center, draw a curve. Next, take radius B dash D dash. Okay, B dash D dash. So D dash as center, cut here. I will get B dash. This is B dash. Next, I want E dash. Take radius C to E, C dash to E dash. Draw a curve. Next, D dash to E dash. See here, D to E. Just join this one. Join all the points. A dash to B dash, B dash C dash. Now I have to make dark this one, C dash D dash also. D to E, and finally E to A. So in this way I have drawn the pentagon. Next, what to do? I have to draw on the top view. What to do? First, from the A, drop the perpendicular line from A dash and horizontal from A. Okay, horizontal from, this is not the dash. Now what is this point? This is A. Next, from B, perpendicular line, and from B dash, horizontal line. This is B itself. Okay, done. Next, from C, drop the perpendicular line from C dash, and from C, drop the horizontal line. Okay, this is C. Now from E dash, drop the perpendicular line. This is E. Done. Now from D, perpendicular line, from D, drop the horizontal. Okay, just join all the points. Okay, this is AB, next BC, next CD, next DE, E and A. Like this I have to draw it. Okay, fine. So we completed the pentagon. Let us come to the next plane, that is hexagon. Now here it is, hexagon. Now see here the question. A hexagon of side 35 is on the HP on its corner, such that it makes an angle of 45 degrees to the HP and 55 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. Okay, now how to draw the hexagon? See here. So he said it is on the HP. On its corner means I have to draw like this. On the left side, I should get the corner. Okay, if he is asking the edge, I have to draw like this. On my left side, I should get my side. On my left side, I should get side. So this is the corner, this is the edge. So he's asking corner. So I have to draw like this hexagon. So let us come to the question. First, what to do? Draw the reference line, which is XY. Reference line XY, HP, VP. HP is always top view, VP is always front view. Now I have to draw the hexagon first. He's asking about the corner. So first, for the corner, what should I do? I should draw the horizontal line first at certain gap. Okay. Now side how much? 35. So what I'll do? I'll take 35. So what I'm doing is here, I'll do something different for the hexagon. See what I'll do. I know this is 35. Yes. So take radius 35 in your compass. Right. This as a corner, draw the curve, and this as a corner, draw the curve with the same 35 only. Okay, the same 35, this center, I am taking center and draw the circle like this. Okay, I have taken a circle now. See, it is very, very light. Okay, I have taken a circle. Now, let me make this little bit dark. Okay, what I did, take a radius of this side, this corner as center, cut this one, and this side center, cut this one. I'll get a center point. This center and radius with same 35, draw the circle. Now cut this circle, this as center, cut here, this as center, cut here, with the same 35 only. This as center, cut here, and this as center, cut here. Okay, or this as center, cut here. Okay, you will get 6 sides. See, this is A, this is B, C, D, E and F. Just join them, you will get hexagon. Okay, fine. What to? Join AB, join BC, join CD, join DE, join EF, join AF. Done. You have got hexagon now. See here carefully. Now project it on the front view. What to do? Drop the perpendicular lines. From A, I'll get here A dash. Yes. From B and F, drop the perpendicular line. What is this? B dash, F dash. Next, from CE, this is C dash, E dash. From D, this is D dash. Join A dash, D dash. Join A dash and D dash. Over. Now, next, the plane is on the HP, on its corner. Done. Now, plane is on the HP. So, next what to do? Incline with HP only I have to do it. Okay, because the plane is on HP, next stage I have to draw inclination with HP only. How much he has given? Inclination with HP is 45 degrees. So what I will do? Check this line A dash to D dash, extreme length A dash to D dash. I will make this line 45 degrees with the HP now. So mark any point, left corner, which is A dash. So I will first mark A dash here and I will take 45 degrees. I will take 45 degrees. See here, this is 45 degrees. Now take the radius A dash to D dash. Take the radius A dash to D dash like this, and A dash as center, draw the curve. Done. Now what to do? This as center. Okay, what is this? This is D dash. Over. Now take radius A dash to B dash. A dash as center, cut here. B dash and F dash. Immediately mark B dash and F dash. Next, I want CE. Take radius C to E. Very, very carefully we have to do it. A dash as center, cut here. Now, this is the point C dash and A dash. Next, what to do? Drop the perpendicular and parallel lines. From A, drop the perpendicular line. And from here, horizontal line. From A. Now, this is the common point A, meeting point A. Now, from B dash, drop the perpendicular line. Now, from B, see here, horizontal line. The meeting point is B now. See here. Next, from C, perpendicular line. Sorry, from C dash, perpendicular line. From C, it is horizontal line. This is C. Over. Next, from D dash, perpendicular line, from D, horizontal line. Okay, using drafter you can do it very easily. This is D. Next, from E dash, perpendicular line, from E, horizontal line. Okay, this is E. From F dash, perpendicular line, from F, horizontal line. I'll get like this. Now join all the points. I'll get AB. Okay, BC. I have to join, and the plane should be dark. Very, very important. BC, CD, DE, EF, and AF. Finally, I'll get AF. See, I have got the hexagon, something compressed like this. Okay, now here the angle is how much? 45 degrees with the HP. You have to mention angles, you have to mention. Very, very important. Next, what to do? Next, I have to make 55 degrees with the VP. So, mark any point here. Take 55 degrees. Take 55 degrees. This 55 degrees. Done. Now next what to do? From here drop the line. Very, very light. You can take any edge. You can take any edge. Okay, for my convenience I will take CD. You can take anything, A, B, your wish. So for my convenience I am taking CD here. So it will be very easy for me. So mark any point D here. Any point D. Now take radius CD. Take radius CD. This D as center, cut here. I'll get C. Using CD, I have to draw all the points. Example, I have to draw A. Using CD, because I am having CD here. So take radius CA. CA. C as center. Draw an arc. And DA. D as center, cut here. I'll get point A. Fine. I want B. Take radius CB. C as center, draw the curve. Next, DB. Okay, take radius DB. D as center, cut here. I'll get B. Next, I want E. Using CD. Take radius DE. D as center, cut here. And take radius CE. C as center, cut here. I'll get E. Mark here. This is E. Finally, I want F. Take radius CF. C as center, cut here. And I want from DF. D as center, cut here. I'll get F. Done. Just join all the points. This is AB. Okay. CB, CD, DE, EF, and finally AF. Done. Next, what to do? Drop the lines. See here, from A dash it is horizontal line, from A it is perpendicular line. Okay, what is this point? This is A dash. Next, from B, horizontal line. From B dash, horizontal line. From B, drop the perpendicular line. So meeting point. This is what? B dash. Next, from C, it should be horizontal line. From C dash, horizontal line. From C, perpendicular line. Okay, now this is C dash. Next, from D, it should be horizontal line. From D dash, horizontal line. From D, it should be perpendicular line. Very, very carefully we have to do it. Using drafter, you can do it very easily. Now, next, from E dash, horizontal line. From E, perpendicular line. What is this? This is E dash. Now where is the F dash? From F dash drop the horizontal line. From F it should be perpendicular line like this. So this is F dash. Join all the points. Very carefully I have to do it. So this is A, B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F and AF finally. So I'll get it something like this, the plane. Okay, let us come to the next question. Now let us read the question. A hexagon of side 30 now is on the VP. Now. It is on the VP. On its edge. Such that it makes an angle of 50 degrees with the HP and 40 degrees with the VP. Okay. Now first what to do? Drop the reference line first. This is XY. Okay, this is XY, a reference line. So below HP and above VP. VP is always front view, HP is always top view. Done. Next what to do? I have to draw the hexagon. So I have to mention its what? Edge now. So on my left side it should be edge. Yes. Now what I will do? Side how much he has given? 30. So I will draw the perpendicular line now. See here. I will draw the perpendicular line. So I will draw like this. This is 30. Done. I have drawn the perpendicular line. Done. Now what to do? Take the radius 30 mm. Take the radius 30 mm. Okay, I will draw a little bit upwards because the corner will come some below here. There is a problem, it will get problem here. So what I will do, కొంచెం పైన draw చేద్దాం, కొంచెం slightly. So I will draw here little bit. Yes, so this is 30 now. This is 30 mm. Now what I will do is take a radius of 30 mm now. Okay, this corner as center, draw an arc, the same 30, and this as center, cut here. So I'll get the center here, the meeting point. Okay, now this as center, the same radius 30, I'll draw the circle. I'll draw the circle like this. See here. Yes, I have got the circle now. The same radius, this as a center, this corner as a center, cut the circle. Now this as a center, cut the circle. This as a center, cut the circle. You'll get 6 times directly. Okay, now name them. This is A, B, C, D, E and F. Because it is front view, I have to mention the dashes also. A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. Join all the points. What you will get? You will get hexagon. Okay, carefully you have to join. D dash, E dash, E dash, F dash, F dash and A dash. Over. This is hexagon now. Now which is on the VP, on its edge. Done. I have to draw its top view now. What to do? From A dash, B dash, drop the perpendicular line. Now what is this point? This is AB now on the top view. Now from C and F it will come the common point. Okay, this is what? This is C and F. Now DE. This is DE. Now this is the horizontal line. Over. Next, the plane is on the VP now. See here carefully. The plane is on the VP. I have to make inclined with VP only, which I will observe on the HP. So on the HP, there is a line AB, CF and DE. So check the extreme ends, that is AB and DE. I'll make this line inclined at 50 degrees, sorry, 40 degrees with the VP. See, 40 degrees with the VP. Done. So mark, this is AB. With VP, it is 40 degrees. So I'll make 40 degrees with the VP. That's it. See, here he may give the vice versa, reverse. But we should not confuse here. The plane is on the VP, make inclination with VP. That's it. Okay, now take radius AB and DE. AB as center, draw a curve. Okay, now I have to take the angle. How much? He said 40 degrees. He said 40 degrees. Mark 40 degrees here. Just join up to the extreme end. Now what is this point? This is DE. Next I want CF. What to do? Take radius AB to CF. AB to CF. Cut here. C and F. Over. Now this angle is at 40 degrees to the VP. Over. Now what I will do? From A, drop the perpendicular line. From A dash, drop the horizontal line. I will get point A dash now. Done. From B, perpendicular line. From B dash, horizontal line. Lines should be very, very light. Now this is what? B dash. Next, from C, I have to draw the perpendicular line. Okay, from here, C dash, drop the horizontal line. This is C dash. From D and E, drop the perpendicular line. Now from D, horizontal line. What is this point? This is D dash. Now from E dash, horizontal line and perpendicular line. The meeting point E dash. Now from F, perpendicular line, and from F dash, horizontal line. I'll get F dash here. Join all the points and make it dark. A dash, B dash. Okay, C dash, D dash. C dash, D dash. D dash, E dash. E dash, F dash, and A dash, F dash. Then we have got the plane, something like this. Done. Now I have to make this plane inclined with HP at an angle of 50 degrees. Dini ila tilt cheyali. I have to tilt like this. Now what I'll do? Mark any point here. At 50 degrees. Now draw a line at an angle of 50 degrees. Done. You have to make any edge. You have to make any edge. Your wish. Okay, I'll take C dash D dash here. Or you can take E dash D dash, your wish. So I am taking C dash D dash. Mark any point C dash here. Okay, now take the length C dash to D dash. C dash as center, cut here. I'll get D dash. Using C dash and D dash, I will draw all the points. I will start from A. I will start from A. Take radius C dash to A dash. C dash as center, draw an arc. D dash to A dash. D dash to A dash. D dash as center, cut here. I have got A dash. Mark immediately. Take radius C dash to B dash. C dash as center, draw an arc. Next, take radius D dash to B dash. D dash as center, cut here. I'll get B dash. Over. Next, D dash to F dash. D dash to F dash. D dash as center, draw an arc. Next, C dash to F dash. C dash as center, cut here. I'll get F dash. Over. Next, take radius D dash to E dash. D dash as center, cut here. text radius C to E, C dash to E dash. Cut here. What I'll get? I'll get E dash. Just join. Just join. A dash B dash. B dash C dash. C dash D dash. D dash E dash. E dash F dash. A dash F dash. Okay, we have got the hexagon now. Now, next what to do? Drop the perpendicular. We have tilted this one. Okay, we have tilted this one. Done. No problem. Now, from A, drop the perpendicular line. Okay, what is this? This is A dash to A. See, on the common line. Next, from B dash, I'll take here. What is this? This is B. Now, from C and F, drop the horizontal line. From C dash, perpendicular line. The meeting point is C. Now, from D, drop the horizontal line. From D dash, drop the perpendicular line. What is this? This is D. Next, from E, perpendicular line. Very, very carefully I have to do it. This is E. See here, this is E. Next, I want F. Draw it very, very carefully. From F, perpendicular line. This is F. Now, join everything. Now see here. This is AB. Next, BC. Next, CD. Next, DE. Okay, EF, FA. So I'll get something like this, the plane here. Okay, fine. Let us come to the next question. Next question. So I'm drawing a circle now. See here, circle. So circle doesn't have any corners. Okay, it doesn't have any problem, corner or edge. I can draw it directly. Now what to do with the circle? Now see here, this is XY reference line. XY, I have to mention HP, VP, as it is first angle projection. VP is always front view, HP is always top view. No need to mention the gaps. Okay, because here not given. Now let us read the question. A circle of diameter 40 is on the HP directly. You will not mention corner or edge because it is a circle. It makes an angle of 45 degrees to the HP and 50 degrees to the VP. Now at certain gap, you have to take the gap. Draw the diameter now. Diameter how much? 40. Diameter how much? 40. So I will draw it very, very light line here. Okay, very, very light. And mark the center. Okay, mark the center. And as well as you have to take the perpendicular line from the center. See, from the center I am taking. From the center. This is 4 and 0. Drop the horizontal line. So meeting point. See here, this is perpendicular lines. Now what I will do? This as center. Take a radius 20 now. Yes, diameter is 40. Means radius how much? 20. Now draw the circle. Now the circle should be dark because our answer is circle. Yes, so I will make this circle as dark. Yes, now I will divide this circle into 8 equal parts. I will divide this into 8 equal parts. So I have already divided this into 4 equal parts. Yes, so for 8 equal parts, for each and every this division I have to divide 2 equal parts. Means this is 90 degrees. I have to make this 2 equal parts. Means 45 degrees I have to mention. Yes, so what I am doing is, this is 45 degrees. This is also 45 degrees. Okay, now this is a circle. Now mark this A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Over. Done. Now next what to do is from A drop the perpendicular line, and what is this point? This is A dash. Now from B and H I'll get it directly. Okay, this is B dash H dash. Now this is C dash D dash. Now this is D dash F dash. Okay, mark here. This is D dash F dash from E. Okay, what is this? This is E dash. Now make this dark like this. Over. Now see this length. So for each and every diagram I did not mention the lengths, so you have to mention the lengths. Okay, one mistake I did. What I have to show the dimensions. Very important. See here, this is how much, this is 40. You have to show the dimensions. Very important. Okay, now the plane is on the HP. Now I have to make inclination with the HP, which I can show in the VP. So with HP how much? This is 45 degrees. So I am drawing on the VP. So check this length AE. How much length? That is 45 itself. So left side there is A dash. Mark a point A dash here. Angle how much? 45 degrees. I am taking 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Now length how much? A dash to A dash. Over this center, cut here. Now join this one. Okay, now what is this? This is E dash. Over I want B dash H dash. So check here, A dash to B dash. Cut here. What is this? B dash and H dash. Next I want C dash D dash. Take radius A dash to C dash D dash. C dash G dash. So cut here. This is C dash G dash. Next take radius D and F. I want DF also. So take radius A to DF. Cut here. This is D dash and F dash. Now if the circle is tilted, it will appear as ellipse. Yes, so it should be ellipse here. Okay, now what I am doing, just dropping the points from A dash perpendicular line, from A horizontal line. This is A. From B dash H dash. From B perpendicular line, from B horizontal line. From B dash perpendicular line, from B horizontal line. This is B. Now from C perpendicular line, from C dash perpendicular line, from C horizontal line. Okay, the meeting point is C. Now from D dash perpendicular line, from D horizontal line. Okay, now this is D. Next from E perpendicular line, from E dash perpendicular line, from E horizontal line. This is E. Now from F perpendicular line, F dash perpendicular line, from F horizontal line. Yes, from from G dash perpendicular line, from G horizontal line. I'll get something like this. This is G. From H dash perpendicular line, from H horizontal line. Okay, now this is H. Join all the points, you'll get ellipse. See here, this is A, B, C. Okay, D, E, E, F, F, G, G, H, H, A. I'll get ellipse here. Done. Now it is an angle of how much? 45 degrees. You have to mention the angle. Now tilt this ellipse at an angle of how much? With the VP at an angle of 50 degrees. So what I'll do, mark any point, take 50 degrees, take 50 degrees, 50 degrees, draw the line. This is 50 degrees. Now you may ask, sir, ఇప్పుడు ఏం point తీసుకోవాలి? Which point I have to take it? Here in the ellipse you will be having minor axis and major axis. See, minor axis is AE. AE is the minor axis, GC is the major axis. You can take either minor axis or major axis on this line. Okay, I am taking major axis. So I'll, in the major axis there is a 2 points, that is G and C. So mark here G. Mark here G. Take radius GC. Take radius GC. G as center. Cut here. This is C. Now using GC I have to draw all the points. Now take first I will draw point A. Take radius GA. Take radius GA. G as center. Cut here. And CA. Yes, C as center. I will get point A. Yes, I want B now. Take radius CB. Draw an arc. GB. Take radius GB. Cut here. I will get B. Next, take radius CD. C as center. Cut here. Next, take radius GD. G as center. Cut here. What I will get? I will get D. Fine. Next, I want E. Take radius GE. G as center. Draw an arc. Next, CE. C as center. Cut here. I will get E. Next, take radius GF. I want point F now. GF. G as center. Draw an arc. Next, CF. Yes, CF. C as center. Cut here. I will get F. See here. Here it is a point F. Next, take radius GH. G as center. Draw an arc. Next, CH. C as center. Cut here. I will get H. Yes, join all the points with the free hand. See, this is CB, BC, CD, DE, EF, FG, GH, HA. So I have got the ellipse. Just using the points. Now what to do? Drop the perpendicular and parallel lines. First I will come to the A. From A dash horizontal line and from A perpendicular line. This is what? A dash. Okay, let me sharpen this the pencil. Let me sharpen the pencil. Fine. Next, what to do? From B. From B dash. Okay, horizontal line. From B, drop the perpendicular line. Yes, I will get B dash. Next I want C. Where is C? C here. From C dash, horizontal line. From C, perpendicular line. This is C dash. Next, from D dash, drop the horizontal line. From D, perpendicular line. Now from E, dash horizontal line, from E perpendicular line. See here, this is the point E dash. Next F, from F dash horizontal line, from F perpendicular line. So I will get F dash. Next H, horizontal line, sorry, G dash horizontal line, from G perpendicular line. So very carefully we have to do it. So this is G dash. Next from H, so here it is horizontal line from H dash, and from H I have to draw the perpendicular line. See here, this is H dash. So join all the points very carefully, from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H and A. So it will appear like this. See here, very carefully you have to do it. So I hope you can do the vertical plane also if the plane circle is on the VP. So same vice versa. Okay, fine. Let us come to the next question. There is a last question, that is semicircle. Okay, if he has given the semicircle, what to do? Okay, right. First what to do? Draw the XY line. Fine. This is X, this is Y, this is HP, this is VP, this is front view, this is top view. Done. He has not given any gap, no need to draw the gaps. Okay. Let me read the question first. A semicircle of diameter 50 is on the VP. Where is it? Is on the VP, on its edge. So how to draw? I have to draw this. So see here, I have to draw a semicircle like this now. Okay, right. On the VP, on its edge, such that it makes an angle 50 degrees to the HP and 40 degrees to the VP. Done. First I will draw the line, perpendicular line, which is 50 he said. So what I will do, I'll draw the perpendicular line 50 mm, mark the center, which is 25. Now draw the semicircle. Semicircle means I have to take the radius, how much? 25, diameter 50, so radius 25. So what I will do, I'll draw like this. So this is the semicircle. Over. Now divide this into how many equal parts? 4 equal parts. So first draw the horizontal line, which is exactly on 25, like this, and again divide this. So 45 degrees, I can do it very easily. This is 45 and this is 45 over 5. Done. Now name them. You can start from here. This is A dash, this is B dash, this is C dash, this is D dash and E dash. Okay, now draw its top view. Okay, now what is this point? This is A and E. Now drop the perpendicular line B and D. This is B and D. Now this is C. Okay, so A to C, the length should be radius, that is 25. Done. Now the plane is on the VP now. So next I have to make inclination with the VP on the HP. Now the length how much? A to C. Make this AC at 40 degrees. Very important. So on the left side there is a point AE. So mark A and E. Take an angle of 40 degrees now. Take an angle of 40 degrees. Okay, take a radius A to C. Take radius A to C. A as the center. Draw the curve and just extend this one. Done. What is this? This is C. Over. Now take radius A, B, D. AL center, cut here. This is B, D. Done. Now what to do? Drop the perpendicular and parallel lines from each and every point. Done. What I am doing, from A dash drop the horizontal line, from A drop the perpendicular line. This is the point A dash. Next, from B horizontal line. See here, from B I have to draw the horizontal line. From B dash horizontal line, from B perpendicular line. Okay, now this is the point B dash. Over. Next, from C dash I have to draw the horizontal line. From C it is perpendicular line. This is C dash. Next, I want D dash. So draw the horizontal line from D dash. From D it is perpendicular line. This is D dash. Next, from E horizontal line. From E dash horizontal line. From E perpendicular line. Yes, this is E dash. Okay, what to do? Join. Excuse me. A dash, B dash, B dash, C dash. Okay, C dash, D dash, and D dash, E dash. Just join like this. I will get semicircle, something like this. Over. Next, it is an angle of 40 degrees. I have to mention, very important. Next, it is 50 degrees with HP. I will show in the VP. So mark any point, draw a line. Sorry, I have to show on the VP here. Yes, which is 50 degrees. Join this one at an angle of 50 degrees. This is 50 degrees. So here compulsory I have to show this diameter here, compulsory, because the straight line is AE only. So I don't have any another option. So this is A dash. Okay, now take this radius. How much? This is 50. Cut here. What is this? This is E dash. Now I have to draw this one now, the same positions. So I have A and E. I want B. What to do? Take radius AB, draw an arc, and take radius EB, E dash to B dash. Cut here. What I will get? I will get B dash. Next, take radius A dash to C dash, draw an arc. Next, take radius E dash to C dash. Cut here. I will get C dash. I want D dash. Take radius A dash to D dash. Draw an arc. Next, E to D. Cut here. I will get D here. D dash. Join all the points. A, B with free hand. Very carefully I have to do it. Done. And make this dark. So entire semicircle should be dark. Okay. Next, I want perpendicular parallel line. First, I will go with E. Drop the perpendicular line up to here. So this is A. This is A. Now I want B. So from B, I will draw the horizontal line. From B dash, I will draw the perpendicular line. What is this point? This is B. Next, I want C. From C, drop the horizontal line. From C dash, I want perpendicular line. This is C. Done. I want D. So extend this one. This is D. So from D dash, perpendicular line. I will get D here. And finally E. So E is on the XY line itself. So from E, I will drop the perpendicular line. This is E. Over. Now here A is only the horizontal line, straight line, and remaining everything is a curve. So I will join like curve AB, BC, CD and DE. So this is our answer. Okay. Thank you, students. So practice each problem at least 3 times. At least 3 times you have to practice. Okay. Thank you very much.